Why Nigeria must separate religion from politics and governance, a logical argument. Every election cycle, sermons replace debates. Mosques and churches echo with political endorsements. And the question isn't always, who is competent, but what faith does he practice? After careful analysis, I've come to this logical, perhaps uncomfortable conclusion. Nigeria must separate religion from politics and governance if we truly want to progress. Stay with me till the end, because this isn't just opinion. It's a deep dive into why our nation's future depends on this separation. Nigeria is one of the most religious nations on Earth. In cities and villages, religion shapes our daily lives, our worldview, even our identity. Yet despite this faithfulness, we remain plagued by corruption, insecurity, poverty, and division. Why? Because religion, meant to heal and guide hearts, has been entangled with politics and governance, corrupting both. Today, let's explore why keeping them apart isn't an attack on faith, but an act of saving our country and honoring what faith truly stands for. Part 1. How mixing religion with politics hurts Nigeria. 1. It divides us further. Nigeria is already fragile. Hundreds of ethnic groups, 2 major religions. When politicians use religion to win votes, it turns elections into holy wars. It cheapens faith. Clerics endorse candidates, altars become campaign grounds. Faith loses its moral authority and becomes just another tool of power. It blocks meritocracy. Appointments are made to balance faith, not always to pick the most competent. The question becomes, is he Christian or Muslim, rather than, can he do the job? 4. It breeds extremism. When politics becomes a contest of religious supremacy, extremists feel justified to act violently in defense of their faith. It distracts from real issues. We should debate policies on education, health, jobs. Instead, we debate a candidate's denomination or sect. Part 2. Why Nigeria must separate religion from governance. To protect religion itself, faith must remain pure, above politics. When it becomes a political weapon, it loses respect and moral weight. To build national unity, a secular government doesn't mean an anti-religious government. It means the state treats all citizens equally, no matter what they believe. To choose leaders by competence, not creed. A doctor is judged by skill, not religion. Why not politicians? Governance should follow the same standard. To focus on solutions, not sentiments. When religion is private, governance debates can center on real policies, measurable results, and shared progress. To fulfill Nigeria's promise, a truly democratic Nigeria cannot emerge if half the population feels excluded or threatened because of their faith. Is it possible? Some will say, but religion is part of who we are. True, Nigeria is deeply religious. But separating religion from governance doesn't ask people to abandon faith. It simply asks, let faith guide your personal life, your morality, your kindness, not the law of the land or government appointments. Other nations with religious citizens, like Indonesia, Senegal, and even India in theory, have frameworks to protect both freedom of worship and secular governance. Nigeria can do the same by ending government funding for religious pilgrimages, removing religious symbols from official institutions, banning religious campaign endorsements by state agencies, reforming education to emphasize shared civic values over religious rivalry. Part 4. The cost of doing nothing. If we keep religion tangled in politics, elections will remain divisive and violent. Leaders will keep hiding behind faith instead of results. Youth will inherit a fractured, suspicious country, and religion itself will be blamed when politicians fail. What can you do? Start by changing how you see leadership. Demand policies, not prayers on campaign posters. Challenge politicians who hide behind faith. Teach the next generation that faith is personal, governance is public. And most of all, speak up, because silence keeps the system as it is. If you agree, share this video. Let's begin a national conversation on why faith must remain sacred and politics must remain secular. Thank you for watching AfriFacts. If this video made you think, subscribe, like, and drop your thoughts below. Remember, Keeping religion out of politics doesn't weaken faith. It strengthens our country and honors the true power of belief.